So think about this. If a person is trying to meet a child who's 13 or 14 years old for sex, they aren't prison mandatory. And I was surprised about that.
Because of the wording of the law, because it's an adult pretending to be a child?
So it was actually the wording of a court.
Okay.
And that's the interesting part. We can talk about courts a little bit later, but the Division II of the Arizona Court of Appeals put out an opinion and essentially said, if the Arizona legislature wanted us to put this as a dangerous crime against children, they would have said so. I mean, so we have to accept the law. I accept judicial rulings.
Sure.
I respect the court. And so what I advocated for was a very simple fix, basically a one-sentence fix, which essentially tells the courts, yes, this is what we mean, and it should be a dangerous crime against children. And luckily, the governor signed that into law about a week and a half ago.
So before you were eligible for probation, now if you're an adult pretending to be a juvenile.
So if you have a police officer who's posing to be a child, and a person participates and tries to meet up with that, fake child, that person is prison mandatory.
Awesome.
Yep.
Good.
It's a prison mandatory offense.
As I've gotten older and my thoughts on criminal justice and criminal justice reform have changed a little bit. I don't necessarily believe certainly in mandatory minimums.